What's up? This is Mr. Right, another life and another day with me. So this time, I'm going to change my content into more educational, inspirational, even biblical, and most of all, of course, those things that I'm knowledgeable of, and I'm passionate. Kaya probably I'm going to discuss about more of a counseling, social issues, what's going on around sa ating paligid. So ano ba dapat natin pag-usapan dyan? And of course, ano yung view ng Bible regarding dyan sa lahat ng mga pangyayari sa ating mga paligid. And as a guidance counselor, I would like to discuss and help also the teachers and also the students around us to furtherly understand ano bang meron talaga sa guidance counselor, di ba? So I'm inspired of na nakita ko sa isang post na bakit ka ba na guidance office ako. Let's start with that question sa susunod natin mga contents regarding sa guidance and counseling. So yun lang naman, gusto ko lang mag-prepare muna, and I'm preparing my equipment so that I will be able to produce mga quality videos and educational and biblical patungkol sa counseling. So, ano man yun, stay tuned lang sa aking channel. Please like and subscribe. And this is another day and another life with Mr. Right.